Good morning, everyone. This is the video about this part. Let me see. Let me get it out of the way. Okay, this is what it's called: steering wheel shaft bushing. This went bad on my truck. I'm in the process of trying to change it. For those that are looking for, there's the part number right there, R13-1014. I was inspecting my truck yesterday, and I noticed I started touching. This had a, if you can hear, it's a movement, but it was a little worse. I stuck one of these rags in there yesterday just so I can move the truck around, and that's what happened right there. See what's there? See that? That's where that bushing goes. Luckily, it's easy to take out. Just got to take those 4 bolts, take that bolt out and pull that shaft out, slide it out and put the new one in. That's about it. So and make sure you line it up, you mark it so you don't lose your spot where you at on your steering wheel. So I'm gonna do that and we'll see how it goes. Got that old one back out. See, it came in pieces, and here we go, the new ones. That's what it's supposed to look like. Make sure you mark your steering column how you took it out. Make sure you mark it, because if you don't, you're gonna have a hard time trying to line up your steering wheel inside. I got it on there. I just got to put the shaft, to continue putting the other steering part of the steering wheel. The steering wheel shaft. I mean, it's not hard to do. It's just a little uncomfortable to get in there, but it went pretty easy.